Now that we have our participants selected, we need to get our database into a more manageable form. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy this. So I come down here and right click on my page name, and I want to move or copy. So I want to create a copy, and it'll come up over here. Well, maybe not. Let's try again. So we want to move or copy. We want to create a copy. There it goes. It wasn't having a little trouble clicking with the mouse there. So we're going to hit OK. Now we have our second one. So this one I'm going to call participants, or just part. And I'm going to sort. So I'm only looking for the ones where I have a name in them. So I am going to sort A to Z, and I've got all these people sorted here now because I've got my other one over here. Stag is still full, and I haven't changed any of the data. If something happens, I can always come back to it. But from here, I'm going to just delete everything that does not have a name on it. And obviously you're going to have more than I did, so then I right click and say delete. You'll have a minimum of 25 as your directions say. But now I am able to go in and start getting and gathering my information. Let's look at what we have across here. We had our control up here, and we had our islands. This was part of our random number generator. We'll leave all this for now. And we have our name, we have our age, we have our gender. We need to first get them into whether they're going to be in an experimental or a control group. So of course we'll do a random between then. So we'll equal rand between, and we're either going to give them a 0 or a 1. And the experimental groups we'll say are the 1s, and the control groups are the 0. So we're going to highlight those and bring them down. And you see that we end up with 2 in our control group and 4 in our experimental group. And that's okay. We'll have, with 25 or more, yours probably won't be so lopsided, but if it is, that's okay as well. Now that we have our random numbers, there's one more thing we need to do. And remember, they have formulas in them, so we want to make sure that we change these so that they are static. So I'm going to copy, and then I paste as a number, and now I'm ready to go.